To make money on Whop with bounties, you need to create an account on Whop. Once you have an account, you can join the Whop universe and access various bounties. Bounties are just one way to make money on Whop, as you can also create your own community, clip content, or engage in affiliate marketing. Upon joining the Whop universe, you can find different bounties by clicking on the Bounties tab. Some bounties are simple, such as posting a message, and can pay up to $3. Others can pay significantly more, ranging from $50 to $250, for completing various tasks. To find these bounties, you can go to the Discover tab and click on Content Rewards. This will show you many different communities, known as Whops, which you can join to access bounties. However, it can be challenging to filter these communities to find the ones with bounties. A trick to find bounties is to go to the Leaderboards tab and filter by bounties available. This will show you communities with bounties, and you can see which ones have the most lucrative rewards. You can then join these communities and complete the bounties to earn money. When you join a community, you can click on the Bounties tab to see what tasks you need to complete to earn the reward. Some bounties may have simple requirements, while others may be more challenging. You can browse through the various bounties available and choose the ones that pay well and are feasible for you to complete. Once you complete a bounty, you can submit it and claim your reward. With persistence and the right strategy, you can make money using bounties on Whop.